Teacher, can you hear me? Oh, it's okay. You hear that? I know you can't. Oh yeah, you see our voice there. No, Coco is whining. Coco is whining. He's not order farming. He's whining. He's whining. Wait, those are boys. Those are boys. That thing is a girl, bro's girlfriend. Let's go. For real. But he's whining at the same time. You guys, plus I don't want to leak any number plates, so I won't be putting any number plates. Am I being recorded? Oh, yeah. So that's so good, bro. Literally, bro. It's over. Huh? It's over. Oh. You guys, the session with the dog is over. You guys are reading the little house and you're going back. There's a bear right here. Huh? Oh. Yeah? Number 30. Okay, number 30, number 30. You guys are going to ding dong this area. This is just the street number, but we don't know the others. So I did it. Oh, it sounds like a bird. Ah.